Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something.
We all remember this viral video, right? The hilarious moment before one man falls backwards in a chair to a giant canyon below. Well,
Third time's the charm.
Queenstown, New Zealand is quickly becoming my favourite place I have travelled so far. The perfect adrenaline-fueled adventure playground, and for years before I even set out to travel, I always dreamed of doing the world's most famous canyon swing, towering over 100 metres high, with a 60-metre freefall and a 200-metre swing, and seeing viral videos online on top of the multiple ways you can fall to the river below, and the wide array of famous people that have taken it on for themselves. This is set to be a true bucket list item to tick off the list. But before starting above the canyon, we're gonna start down in it and enjoy an epic speed-filled adventure. So this is it, the first one. We've just arrived at the Shotover jet. There's speedboats around the canyon. This is gonna be epic. So I've got to transfer this to a head strap because you've got to hold on the whole time. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Get ready, 25 minutes on the water. This should be fun. As we queue to climb in for our turn, I wasn't really expecting much, to be honest. To me, it just seemed like a glorified speedboat on a river that looked like it could do a few fancy ballerina spins, but oh, how wrong was I. We climb into the 3-ton V8 powered water rockets, ready to experience what these things could really do. And as we set off, I instantly realised this does not feel like a standard speedboat trip. We careered down the river between the large rock faces either side, and the driver really showcased his skills, bringing the boat inches away from the walls that locked the water's path, and at incredible speeds, I might add. I now understood the need for the camera to be placed on a head strap, as with no seatbelt, everyone clinged on tightly just to stay in the boat. We raced down the river as the driver gave the signal to hold on tight. As we gathered speed quickly, he flung the boat around into a spin as the waves formed, crashed over the boat, giving us our first soak of the icy water. After that first little taste, he amped it up. That was absolutely incredible. So quick, so powerful with the spins. You can feel it bouncing off the waves and everything as you're going round, and the little rapids. And they're amazing drivers. They get so close to the rocks and stuff as they start spinning. Absolutely incredible. Honestly, I didn't expect that to be as amazing, being on like a speedboat and stuff, and honestly it's absolutely blew me away. That was incredible. So that's one done. Now it's time to head off to the next adventure, which is the one that I've been wanting to do for absolute years. I've seen many videos of this online. There's many viral videos of this as well, and that is the famous canyon swing. This one should be thrilling. We jump in the van to head up higher from the lows of the rivers to the views from the mountains. It's only a short drive, so not much time to prepare mentally. And the other thing I've noticed, I seem to be the only one heading up. We're just walking down to the canyon swing now, and I've got pretty lucky because I am the only person on this today. They said it was very busy yesterday, but today it's very quiet. I've also been told that I get a discount if I do it twice, so maybe we can do that, especially because I'll have the time to do it. So yeah, I'm really excited, really looking forward to this one. Haven't quite decided how I'm going to go off the edge yet, because there's many different ways that you can possibly do this, but I'm really looking forward to this. This should be amazing. This is the thing that I wanted to do in Queenstown the whole time I've been looking at this place. We reach the centre, and as I enter I'm told to head out quick as someone is about to jump. I head out the doors to just miss the drop, but I hear the screams. And I can see them. Just about. That dot in the distance just off the floor of the river, swinging back and forth. I head back in to sign in and get harnessed up, and I get a quick safety briefing whilst doing so. Then we head back out to take the walk to the jump point. It's my turn now, the moment I've been waiting for. A moment I have travelled to the furthest possible place from my home in the UK to experience. It's no longer a dream that I'm just watching through a screen. This is it now. I'm here for the real deal, the real experience.
Thing and interesting. Easy, bro. We go get some photos.
Okay.
The only thing that's important is you're running out in a straight line.
Yeah.
So out that way, and you can jump however you want. If you want to go like head first, feet first, whatever you feel.
Just try and go for a swan dive if we can.
Yeah, nice one dive. Yeah, don't touch anything blue. Please don't drag me.
Okay. I was looking for something blue then, and I realised what you meant. I was like, I haven't seen anything blue.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, okay, I can see the blue now. I've got you.
Blue, not for you. You can try. We've got private reflex. Yeah, we're like ninjas here.
Yeah, I'm sure you are now, with some people panicking.
They love to grab us, mate. Come take a look. Yeah, get the angles, get the good shots. Beautiful day for it. Oh, we got some little
Show the fans.
Animal Planet is going on.
Wow, birds.
3. That's the bad luck, actually. Oh, there we go. 1 fucked off, so we're all right. It's good luck now. I'm get distracted here. Like when you jump out, try not to hit the bird, all right?
I'll give it a go, but I can't say that he's not going to try and hit me.
Yeah,
so.
hey, if he hits you, that's all right.
Yeah, okay, that's fine
That
then.
would actually make my day.
All right,
Yeah, I'd love
fair
to see
enough.
it. That would be quite entertaining. Safety's off.
Safety's off. Let's go a bit of faith.
Yeah,
Oh, awesome, mate. You gotta look at
Okay,
everything's set on your end.
all good.
As long as you're going that way, bro, towards the trees.
Run towards the
Yeah.
trees. Okay.
And
no
whenever
problem.
you're ready, we are sweet to go.
That was incredible. That free fall's definitely better than the bungee jump. Definitely looking forward to doing this chair one next. That was amazing. That was so cool. And the scenery here is so beautiful as well. Just hanging around now until we go back up. I might get them to surprise me with the chair one I think I'm going to do next. See if they just drop me whenever they want to drop me. This goes up quite fast. There. Hello again. Amazing.
Missed the birds.
Yep. Luckily.
Beautiful jump, mate. You look like a bird.
Good.
the edge, I'll just pull you in and then you can stand on up. Whoa.
Awesome.
What else you got planned today, bro?
Got a couple more days in Queenstown, but I haven't really got anything planned for them yet, so
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure some stuff out.
Especially if you sort of, done the bungee, done this, there's heaps. You got skydiving, paragliding, you still got all that sort of.
Yeah, I just did skydiving in Australia, so I might give that one a miss, but
And then
there's
maybe
plenty of
relax.
choice here, so yeah. It's hard to do when you're in a place like this and you've got so much opportunity.
That's true. Push yourself back a little bit, we'll just lean out for a photo. Well, I'm going to bring you back, so I need to tighten this up a little bit. Got to do it before. Whoops,
Okay,
Whenever you are, bro.
whenever you guys want to push me, go for
No,
it.
you gotta do it.
Rock back, man.
Just fall back off, yeah?
Yeah.
It's like a trust.
Nice and slow. That was a little bit fast. If you go too fast, you might flip around and hit your head in the platform.
Okay.
Here we go. Third time's a charm. Oh shit, wait, Jack! Oh shit, wait, Jack!
That again was awesome. That was actually really going backwards. The free fall felt better on the actual run and dive one, but that was fun. Honestly, I'd probably do this all day if I could, but I don't have that much money, so I can't. Hello.
Mate. Bring you in, just hold on. Grab the You are free.
Thank you very much. That is the one that I was looking forward to doing the most in New Zealand, in Queenstown. I've looked at that for absolutely years, and I'm so glad that I got to do it now. So I'm just heading back up. But if you enjoyed this one as well, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date with me as I travel around the world, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.